There we go, filled on ticker symbol EWZ. We locked in $7,265 profit. What is up and welcome back. We are in the office today. I know the last couple videos we were traveling around buying supercars. As you guys know, in the last video, if you have not seen that yet, check it out. In the last video, I bought a McLaren, all right? I bought a 570S, my dream car. And one of the things I talked about in that video was the fact that I can't actually drive that car for another 2 months because we have snow outside. So I've decided to move somewhere warm, relocate for a couple months. That way we're gonna be able to go and enjoy the McLaren and just change the videos up a bit. Stay tuned for some lifestyle videos with the McLaren. But today we're gonna be going over trade. We're doing this intro after what you're about to see, so don't get confused if you're looking at the charts behind me. We're gonna be trading live together. All right, there's this position I entered with the mentorship group last week, and I'm still holding this trade. Hopefully, we're gonna lock this thing in and make some money, and I can show you guys that on live. Again, I'm trying to be transparent and show you guys that I am successful trading. With that said, I hope you guys do enjoy today's video. Make sure to subscribe if you have not yet. All right, with that said, let's go. All right, I'm just gonna be walking you guys through this trade that I am currently in. It is ticker symbol EWZ. So I called this out last Thursday over inside my mentorship group. I saw some opportunity presented on EWZ, a very clean chart with clear levels, and overall direction had just shifted. So I was looking for a break of pattern, so a break of lower highs. So you can see EWZ, we're looking right now on the 4 hour, has just been pretty much in a steady downtrend since July, August. So it's been 8 months of pretty much just a sinking ship. So what I was looking for was a break of that pattern of the lower highs. So specifically, I was looking for a break over this level. Now at the time, again, last Thursday, we were just making a break above 31.43. So that was the level at which I was looking to see broken to let me know that overall direction had shifted. All right, this pattern of lower highs had now been invalidated. All right, so that's just called a break of pattern. Now that lets us know that, again, like I said, direction shifted, and we can now take a position and look to play a move to the next resistance level. All right, last couple days, we've seen some chop, but overall, direction shifted. We've been making higher highs. If we look on the 5 minute, it'll give you a good perspective of what this week has looked like. So again, this is Friday, last Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then Thursday, which is today. So all week, we have been steadily making higher highs. So we did see a little pullback here to 31.14, ended up catching a bounce off that level. Again, support, which was validated previously. And again, we started moving up toward 32.67, which we just broke in today's session. Today, I'm up a little over $6,000. Or sorry, on the P&L open, I'm up $6,326. Today, I'm up $4,600. Market right now is pulling back. You can see across the board, QQQ, SPY, IWM, all pulling back. So EWZ is following the overall market there. Great trade so far. You can see the entry was at 263 per contract when I called this out. So these contracts are now going for 310. It took us a minute to set up the mic and whatnot, but they were just going for 325. So we're looking at about a 22 to 23% profit on this trade if I had closed at 325. What I'm going to be looking at right now, today I am looking to close ticker symbol EWZ. When I do this, I will call it out inside the mentorship group, let the team know that I'm closing, and right now we're going to be looking to just hold above 32.73. Let me throw the 1 minute chart on here. You can see on the day we are pulling back with the overall market, as I just mentioned. So we're going to be looking to close this trade shortly if we do drop below that level 32.67. Look at the overall market continuing to pull back. So if we are able to, kind of rally into this afternoon, we'll see how this goes. But I'm gonna check back in a bit. Not quite ready to close this position. You know, we're gonna be watching closely. I would like to see us hold above 32.73 in the short term here. I know a couple people have already closed for profit inside the mentorship group. One of our members, you know, locking in some profit there. Here we go, James, $600 profit on this trade. You know, it's good to see. Look at that, 24%. So, you know, some people are locking in profit, but I'm going to be holding a little longer, and we'll see what happens. All right, I'm checking back in. We're going to go ahead, let the team know that I'm going to be closing this position. We're going to try to get filled here. We were able to hold above 32.73. Caught a bounce and started working our way back up to today's high around 32.92. Starting to pull back now. I'm gonna go ahead and try to get filled here. All right, we're gonna go ahead, let the team know that I am sending in an order here to get filled on ticker symbol EWZ. Again, we bought these contracts at 263 and we're gonna try to get filled at 320 per contract. So we're going for a 20, almost 22% gain on this call out, not bad. All right. Let the team know, and now I'm gonna go ahead, send in my order, and we'll try to get filled here. All right, create closing order. We're gonna sell my 115 contracts. We're gonna get filled at, gonna try to get filled at 320. We're gonna go confirm and send this on through. Okay, our order's out. Looks like we might have to wait, you know, a couple minutes. See if we can get rid of these contracts here for $7,100 profit once we lock this in. There we go, filled on ticker symbol EWZ. Total profit 7,000. Let's see, we locked in $7,265 profit. Okay, let's see if anyone else in the mentorship group is locking in profits alongside me. We'll go ahead. There we go. Someone in the team just posted they made $670 profit. Anyone make money on EWZ? I'll go ahead and post my profit there as well. $7,265, not bad. All right, so not bad. Another successful call out inside the mentorship group. Again, if you want to be able to copy my exact trades, I'll put the link down below. You're not just gonna be able to do that. All right, I'm gonna teach you the exact system that I use to make over 7 figures a year in the stock market. So if that is of interest, put the link below and you can go check out the masterclass. Again, that's my trading system, and the mentorship group, you'll get access to all of this. It's just one package. I want to emphasize something real quickly, that you don't need to trade every day to make money. I will take, you know, 5-6 trades a month, and I make sure that those trades really count. So I've only lost 1 trade this year out of the 6 I've taken. If you were to put 100 grand, say you forget about position sizing, put 100 grand, follow all my call outs this year, you would be up 105%. So $105,000, which is insane. I swing trade EWZ, we held for a week to make 7 grand for myself. It just shows that, again, day trading is hard. It's possible to make money day trading. I do find more success swing trading. That's crazy. Imagine 105% in a month if you copied just my trades. That's ridiculous. All right, that is going to wrap up today's video. I hope you did enjoy. Really awesome trade. We were able to make over $7,000 on ticker symbol EWZ. And again, if you want access to copy my trades, the link is in the description. So with that said, subscribe, smash like, and I'll see you in the next episode. Later.
Oh. Text me the other day, and he was like, why does the Daily Traders block me?
That's funny. Bro, I remember blocking him.
And I was like, I'm blocked on it too, don't worry. I was like, it's nothing personal.
It's nothing personal. That's really funny. Okay, here we go. 7.
I'm recording.
All right.